Okay, let's try to get this door finished up tonight so we can get the heck out of here. It's been one of those days already. So we need a couple of wrenches. Get a 2x4 out of there, that's for sure. Tighten up a couple things here. Tighten up this division bar. Door panel. Door handle and window crank in the armrest. Panel on the bottom. Let's see what we can do. Putting these little clips in the door panels. Pretty sure I'm going to have to dig up some more. Doesn't look like I have enough in that pile. Yeah, we're going to need at least 4 more. Okay. So let's put a clip there. Put a clip there. 2 more. 1 there. And 1 there. Now we're ready to line it up. I do believe. So that one will go there. Okay. So you gotta pick the right location for these little guys. So there's that one. Okay. There's that one, that one, that one, that one. Okay. Alright. So, that one. That one. Couple more. One more. There we go. Little clean job. Still look good. So now, window crank, door handles. Ah, shit. Worried about the door panel. I forgot the little hinge bolt covers. So, hopefully, that will still slide in there. Like so. I can still put the screws in it. I better do both of those before I forget. Alright, let's put these hinge covers on. Which are kind of finicky. The weather's getting nice, so I have a lot of visitors, which really cuts down on getting things done. That's the only good thing about winter. Nobody goes outside around here. There we go. All right. Now we can proceed with window cranks and door handles. Alright, so this is our power lack wiring harness for the module, I guess. This wire is supposed to go from the driver's side, under the dash, over to the passenger side door. It's not going to make it barely across the dashboard. This side is supposed to go from under the dash through the driver's door. Well, the power lock, the way I did it, bolts right there. So it's got to go all the way through the door and up under the dash. This one, the longer of the two for the passenger side, by the time it goes through the door, up the cowl, it'll make it to under the dash with no problem for this side. Ain't gonna make the passenger side. So I'm gonna take this side and make it a lot longer. All of these wires, this plugs into the module, your power, your ground, and these two go to your remote unit. I bought this kit at LMC Truck, and once I extend these wires, I will show you some more information about it. Okay, so we extended our harness. We had purchased, I think from Low Car, these little door jamb wire harness covers. One part attaches to the door, and one part attaches to the door jamb, and when you shut the door, it'll slide through. I'm attaching this end to the truck of the door jamb, and this end to the door. Then my harness is going to go up through the side of the truck. This little plate covers a fender bolt. I'm going to drill a hole in these with a grommet. It's going to come out of there and go up under the dash. And then when I put the kick panel on, it'll cover all of that, and you won't even know it's there. Alright, I'm going to get to work, and I'll check back in a little bit. So my doors are done, the inside part of them. Let's take a look here. So I have Lakester window cranks and door handles from Low Car. The lower door panel is from Mod Shop. It's got a power door lock system I bought from LMC Truck. S&W door pulls. There's the wire harness that goes from the door into the truck from Low Car, I believe. I bought them at Summit Racing. Now it'll come through and go through that little panel. So that it will have the kick panel in here. Will hide all that. There's my step plates. So now that I got all that done, I'll come in with a little touch-up gun and touch up all my chips and scratches and whatnot. So in closing, the doors are the inside are done. Door locks, I can't hook them physically up until I get the outside lock in and get the outside body work done. All I got left to do in the door jamb area is take a little touch-up gun, touch everything up on the door jambs, and the inside of the doors are done. Hopefully the guy helping me do wiring gets a little more wiring done this weekend. I can get this thing jacked up and button up the training lines, a few things underneath, and start doing the body work on the outside. Got a guy who's going to do some stuff to my bed cover for me finally, hopefully. Should be coming along. Like and subscribe to Side Money Garage. Watch the progress on all our stuff. Watch me act like an idiot maybe. Who knows what'll happen. Thank you, and stay tuned for more.